Hi guys, what's happening? It's Chris from Car Sound Security. So what we've got today is a Tesla Model S. Okay. So what we've done a full Audison upgrade, guys. So we've got obviously the Audison sub there, which is the 8-inch active. Okay. Front components, rear coaxials. You've got the Forza, and that's tucked away there neatly. So obviously the kids sitting in the back still got all their foot space, guys. Okay. So the car looks completely OEM, apart from one thing obviously, which I'll show you in a second. So you can see there, right, it's all gone back to normal as it would. And same again here, all looks factory, guys. Okay, so this was the base model, so it came with nothing. Okay, so we put the tweeters in the factory location. Okay, and also what we've done there, we've also mounted the Audison DRC controller just there, guys. Right, so you can see it there. Okay, and it's all done obviously on that big Tesla screen. So obviously this is a very bespoke setup. Okay, well, the gentleman's not selling this car, it's a Tesla, let's be real. Okay, so he's going to be keeping it for a while. Obviously the only downside to it is obviously we've sounded in the doors as well. As you know, they're very rickety, guys. Okay, so we sounded in the doors, we added the sound rings. Obviously the Forza's all hidden. Okay, so nothing gets in the way of anything, guys. This is an unbelievable setup. So if you guys got a Tesla and you want an audio upgrade, we all know how bad the bass system is. Give us a call on 0208 554 5554. That's 0208 554 5554. Or you can message us on Instagram, just DM us straight. Or you can email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com, guys. Again, it's a very bespoke setup, and as everyone knows from my previous videos, Audison obviously is that bespoke setup. If you're looking for that niche product, you know, which is affordable, ticks all the boxes, you get quality. Not only that, guys, Audison give you a 2-year warranty. Now if they didn't trust in their product, why would they give you 2 years if you just register on their website? So guys, this is the brand you need. Alright, the Audison. Yeah. Speak to me, guys, give me a call on 0208 554 5554, and I can obviously direct you in the right way. So unbelievable, guys. Right, so you can see it better. Obviously it's all lit up now, so you've got the DRC there mounted nicely. Obviously it's disabled at the moment. You can see I've got all the programming software on there, guys. Have a listen to this. Believe me, guys, you've got a front row seat to this concert. It's unbelievable. All your music is right in front of you where it should be. It sounds unbelievable, guys. Now, let me play something. Right, this is for Ed. I know Ed loves this. Have a listen to this, guys. Unbelievable. Say it's got to be one of the best ones we've ever done, guys. You've got a Tesla, you've got a Mercedes, a BM, whatever you got, guys. Yeah, we can get your car sounding phenomenal. Like another one, we know the Range Rovers are bad. You know, people think the Meridian's good. Meridian's a bag of rubbish. Guys, give us a call on 0208 554 554. That's 0208 554 5554. Or email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com. Or you can DM us on Instagram, guys. You know, just ask for Chris, and I'll walk you through step by step of what your car needs in terms of the Audison upgrade. It's unbelievable, guys. Alright, thanks for watching, and a big shout out to Ed as well.